Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Waters until 11:45 a.m. At 10:48 a.m., a line of strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts and wind gusts of 40 knots was located along a line extending from 23 nautical miles southeast of Fat Buoy West Cay, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Prepare for gusty winds, steep and fast-building seas, and blinding downpours. Stay low or go below, and make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Your attention,